Hi guys, how can we create stunning Doodly TikTok videos? Videos for the TikTok platform, the most growing, the most successful app in history. You can do this with Doodly and this pretty simple. Below this video you will find a link from where you can support this channel, support me. So let's go. Once you have logged in, you see this in your dashboard without any videos. So far you see I've used Doodly a lot. So just create a new video and from here you use your style. So we want to do a whiteboard for TikTok. So I name it a TikTok, and now the most important thing is we have to change the resolution, and you can see we have the standard resolutions and also a custom resolution. We uncheck constraint aspect ratio, and now we need full HD in portrait. So it's 1080 by 920. This is the resolution for TikTok. So I simply click on create. And now you can see on the left hand side you have your content, your props, characters, text and so on. On the right hand side the actions, and the timeline is below, and here in the middle you can see your canvas. Now all we want to do is we use simply this pre-made scene. You can choose from a lot of scenes, and of course you can buy a lot of from the marketplace, niche related stuff from the marketplace. I don't want to move to this right now in this video. I just want to show you. So I double click and change the text to TikTok. So I click on done, and I will resize the flash a bit. Okay, put TikTok in the middle. You have a lot of setting possibilities here. You have your gear here, your settings. From here you can put it forward, bring it forward, or put it in the back. You can delete, of course. And you have your settings here with duration and delay. Delay means the software will wait for your delay seconds to move forward. Okay. So I keep it as it is. Now I just want to show you how easy you can create TikTok doodle videos. That's impressive. So let's click on a preview, and you can see TikTok and the stars, the flash. So next step is you click on export and you give it a name, and also you have your settings here. Again, we keep it as is and simply click on continue. I've made already a demo, so I replace it for now, and the software now is rendering the scenes and export my video to my desktop. I pause the video. Okay, and now we can show exported file and play the file. So here we go. I double click, and now you can see it's in the format of a TikTok. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, René.